If two singular subjects are preceded by each or every and combined with and, then the verb must be in singular. Example, each hour and each day is valuable. Every student and every teacher has attended the meeting. If two nouns combined with and expressing one idea, then the verb must be in singular. Example, bread and butter is his food. Slow and steady wins the race. If the subject in plural form is preceded by one of or either of, then the verb must be in singular. Example, one of my friends is in Delhi. Either of them has to come. Two singular subjects connected with are either or and neither nor, then the verb must be in singular. Example, Gokul or Kiran has to go there. Either he or his friend has to solve the problem. Two subjects of different number are connected with are, either or and neither nor, then the verb must be in plural and the plural subject must be placed before the verb. Example, Gopal or his friends have to do it. Neither the leader nor his followers were present. If two singular nouns refer to the same person or thing, the verb must be in singular. Then the article is used before first noun only. Example, the secretary and correspondent is in the office. Your uncle and guardian has come. If two singular nouns refer to different persons, the verb must be in plural. Then the article used before each noun. Example, the secretary and the correspondent are in the office. The poet and the dramatist are present. Words joined to a singular subject by, with, along with, together with, in addition to, as well as, take a singular verb. Example, Sarala with all her friends is at the zoo. The criminal, together with his associates, was arrested. His pay, in addition to the allowances, was stopped. Padma, as well as Lata, is going to school. The verb must be always agree with the real subject. Example, the quality of the apples was not good. Here, the real subject is the quality, not the apples. The beauty of the flowers has attracted them. A collective noun takes a singular verb when it is thought of as a whole and takes a plural verb when the individuals are thought of. Example, the cattle is grazing the grass in the meadow, thought of whole. The cattle are grazing the grass in the meadow, thought of individuals. Fill up the blanks with suitable verb forms. Sita or Rama dash within the bracket have to attend the function. Answer has. Giri as well as Ganesh dash within the bracket be doing the type. Answer is. A white and black cow dash within the bracket was or were in the market. Answer was. The teacher or her students dash within the bracket be giving the speech. Answer are. Varun along with his friends dash within the bracket have competed for the first rank. Answer has. One of my teachers dash within the bracket belong to this town. Answer belongs. The bravery of the soldiers dash within the bracket praise by the government. Answer praises. Time and tide dash within the bracket wait for no man. Answer waits. There dash within the bracket was or were a white and a black dog. Answer were. Ravi dash within the bracket want either pen or pencil now. Answer wants.